right for him. That's fucking hot. Launching. Hey, did I clear the hole?
Yeah, you hit me in the foot. All right, Andrea. Oh yeah.
Oh,
dude,
boy.
stand up. I'll overshoot it.
I'm on it. Hit him in the balls.
Yeah, son. Now throw it to the landing ramp.
I was gonna say.
I got you catching it, dude.
Throw it on this?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
We're close to it.
Really? Come on.
Third time's the charm.
Like I know I got yours to slide on its roof, but you've gotten some payback, brother.
Neither one of those was about payback.
Practice makes perfect.
The first two were not payback. This third one will be. Alright, man. I'm just gonna put it down over here.
Okay.
There you go. It's a lot harder than it looks.
I don't know if I can do that, but I'll try. Nope.
Not like that, dude. Do that one again.
Worst case scenario, you bounce it off his head. Wow.
Get that?
I think so. Really? Come on.
Something happened.
Something. Yeah. The loose nut behind the trigger.
Right? Getting big, buddy.
Wow. Love parking the hole,
And he lands on the wheels.
Good.
I think that's 2 points.
That's gonna be a tough one.
No, the starter battery for the glow plug.